Hello everyone, today we will see how to prepare mango fish curry without using tamarind juice. So instead we will use a lot of tomato puree to get that sour taste, and I'm using 1 kg of fish here. So let's get started. And ingredients, I'm using 2 onion cut into pieces like this, garlic, curry leaves, 5 tomatoes and raw mango pieces. Turn on the heat. Around 4 teaspoons of oil I'm adding. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding few fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds 1/4 of a teaspoon, cumin seeds 1/4 of a teaspoon, few whole pepper, and then we can add the onion, and let's fry the onion until they turn light brown in color. And in the meantime we can prepare the tomato puree. So I'm taking tomatoes in a mixer jar and grind them nicely, and the tomato puree is ready, so we can keep it aside. So the onions are fried well. Now I'm adding the garlic and curry leaves. Mix them well and let it cook for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes we can add the tomato puree. Mix them well and let it cook for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt. Now mix them well and let it cook for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes we can add water as required. And now we can close it with the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes. Now the gravy is cooked well. As you can see, the heat bubbles all around. So now we can add our fish pieces. And I'm adding some more water just to make sure the fish is completely covered into the gravy. And cover it with the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes before we add the mango pieces. So it's been 5 minutes. And now we can add the mango pieces and mix them well. Dip them into the gravy. Close it with the lid and let it cook for 15 minutes and our fish curry should be ready. So after 15 minutes, as you can see, oil started to float around. I think we can turn off the heat and our mango fish curry is ready. So there's our mango fish curry. Please give it a try, and thanks for watching.